humidifier going, building up some more frost. I made those dumplings back there with the frost that I had built up down here. So yeah, can't wait to eat those with y'all. Probably about 8 of them altogether. And of course, we're gonna let the freezer frost build up and all that over there. Still got the whole roof. These sides over here. I scraped these pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. Yep. Hope everybody having a great day.